Make a great choice today with the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, battery saver, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, traction control, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.